Everyone can sit down. Uh, Ayun po, ako po yung, well, alam naman na lahat, ako po yung wife ni Tututs. And, I know it's very sudden. It's a surprise for all of us. Pero, sa totoo lang, lahat ng kilala si Tututs, alam na gusto niya, rockstar exit. He wants a rock and roll exit. He doesn't want to be remembered na old, paralyzed, someone who's not him. He really, his life was very vibrant. Even for a short time, he's just 47. Even for a short time, ang dami nang nagawa. He was able to do a lot of things. Compared with other people na late na nag-start, siya noon pa lang, grabe na yung experiences niya, yung happiness niya, kalokohan na rin. And syempre, despite maloko to, despite na sabi ng mga tao, ano yan, Errol? Tawag mo, kupal siya. Despite tawagan nila mag-best friend, kupalan sila. Grabe magmahal tong tao na to. Very overwhelming nitong past week. Kasi, actually, ang plano lang namin mag-asawa this weekend, mag-grocery, ipasyal ng mga bata. Pero ito na nga tayo, pinaplano na yung wala siya. Take it for this. Pero ako, I believe, ang nawala lang naman yung physical body niya. Oh, Diyos ko, babalik to, maganda tayong lahat. And, to be honest, milagro din na hindi ako nag-breakdown po ngayon. Despite ng mga iyak ko ng mga nakaraan. Bigla ko naramdaman yung peace. For some reason, bigla ako nakaramdam ng peace ngayon. Na parang sinasabi na masaya na siya, nabisita na natin ng mga kaibigan, ng family. Of course, the family, relatives, and all of our friends. Masayang-masaya siyang nabisita natin siya and naalala natin siya. And sa totoo lang, parang bumubulong sa akin kanina. Tired na siya, he just wants to go home. And yun nga, siguro natin nakaramdam ng peace kasi even if hindi man makauwi yung body niya, yung shell niya, at least he can still go home with us. Wow, hindi ako nagbe-breakdown. Oh my God, thank you, Daddy. I love you so much. I love you. Ayun nga, mag-ready lang po kayo, no? Mamaya po, pila-pila daw po. Isa-isahin daw po na tayong mamahalin at yayakapin. Hindi man physical, but in a spiritual manner. Ayun lamang po. Maraming po salamat. And gusto ko rin, I know that is being recorded, right? I want to extend my thanks dun sa very difficult 36 hours of his life, of my life, of our lives actually. Yung mga taong nag-alala sa kanya, thank you po. Yung mga taong nagdasal para sa kanya, maraming salamat po. And yung mga taong tumulong sa kanya, especially, si Mami, Jeff, the family, Joey, of course, si Nugs, who was there with me during that time. And of course, to Ang Koy, na who really fought for Tutus to stay. Pero nga po, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ayaw niyang maalala natin siyang tutots na hirap. Well, despite na alam natin lahat, nag-gout siya ng nagbuwan-buwan. Pero kung mag-gout lang yun, nawawala yun. Ayaw na siguro yung talagang bedridden natin siyang makita. So, let's find comfort in that, na ang huling alaala natin sa kanya, yung masayang tutots, yung makulit na tutots, yung hyper na tutots. Yes po. Sorry. Sorry po. Naano ka lang. Hina-hype ko lang naman. Kasi, to be honest, alam ko malungkot siya. He doesn't want to leave his children behind. Yun lang talaga. Ako, pwede kami maghiwalay. Sorry. Pero yung mga bata, hindi ayaw na talagang iwan yan. He fought really hard. I don't know kung alam na ng tao, but nakardiac arrest siya 5 times. And 5 times siyang bumalik. Imagine that. May iba 1 to 2. Wala na eh. Tap out na ako. But him, fighter talaga until the end. 5 times. And more actually. Noon na siya nagsukim dun sa more. Pero yun nga, he made the difficult decision. Not just for me, not just for mommy, not just for the family, but all of us. Kasi ayaw niya na mahihirapan tayong lahat. Ayaw niya na makita natin siya na naawa tayo sa kanya. That's the ayaw niya, sabi niya, kung ganito lang na parang hindi siya makakagalaw, wag na. Kasi he's full of life. And it's gonna be difficult for him to live his life if he's paralyzed. So you can subtitles now kasi we have Ayun lang. And I hope, siguro kung meron kayong regrets, I know some friends. Kung meron kayong regrets na hindi ka nakapagkita kay Tututs during that time, na gusto nakita, or if you feel na hindi enough yung time na spend nyo sa kanya when he was here, gawin na lang po sa mga anak namin. Gawin na po kay Luki. Kasi doon pa lang po, yung alam niya na andun kayo para sa mga bata. Ay, Diyos ko, sobrang saya na yun. Hindi man kayo makabawi sa kanya, but the kids, mas gusto pa niya na makabawi kayo to be there for the kids, especially this time. And message to my husband, uwi na tayo. Uuwi kita. Kamag-alala. Iuwi kita. And I love you. Ayun lamang po, again, thank you so much. So, sobrang rock and roll niya. Nakakain ko na nakita ng cremation na 7 p.m. Naano ko nila, talaga ba? Actually, pinadouble check ko pa sa pinsan namin. 7 p.m. ba talaga? Kasi baka mamaya medyo, syempre, sad si mami noon. Baka misheard lang niya na it's 7 p.m. Can you double check? Yeah, it's 7 p.m. That's Tututs. That's Tututs for you. Siya lang ang nag-cremate ng 7 p.m. Kasi alam niyang lahat ng family and friends, mga night shift. Wala, baka tulog tayong lahat habang kine-cremate siya. So he made sure na talagang late na gabi. And even him panggabi siya taong gabi siya. So talagang grabe yung will niya. And sa sobrang rockstar din niya. Anong date today? 02/22/2026. He made sure that we will never forget the day he was cremated. Alalahanin mo, ano nga araw na cremate si Tututs? Diba? O diba naman niya will yun? 7 p.m. cremation, tapos ang date, 2222. Right? That's how artistic he is. Until his death, his plan. And that's how OC he is. Until his death, his planning is. So, yun lamang po. Thank you everyone. Thank you family for being here. Especially, the travel and stuff. And the effort of being here one last time. And, yung sobrang saya niya. Kasi he was able to have memories with us. To be honest, he was really happy. Especially the past year. Because there was a lot of memories last year, 2025. 2025 was a great year. Ayun naman po, yun lang, be there for our kids. Doon na po mapapakita po naman sa kanya. Ay, yes, of course.